So should I start?
हाँ बच्चे करो
So good morning, students.
गुड
Good
मॉर्निंग
morning.
Only one student is there. Good morning, students. All
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
very
Good
good morning,
morning,
students.
ma'am.
Yes, very good morning, all. So, students, today we are going to start a very interesting and new topic today. So, before starting that topic, I'm going to give you a situation. Listen that situation very carefully so that you can answer the question which I am going to ask to you. So, don't give me the collective answers. The situation here it is. Suppose you want to buy a packet of chips and you went to a shop to purchase that packet and you ask that seller to give a packet of chips. So the seller gives you a packet of chips. When you got that packet of chips, the seal of the chips was open. So my question to you is, what was the product was actually lacking? Yes, students.
बोलना मत
It is opened up priorly only the packet packing in package.
Yes, today, yes, very good. Very good, Muskan. So today's topic is packaging. So open your notebooks and write down the meaning of packaging. So is the screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So student, write down the meaning of packaging. See on the screen. Packaging refers to the act of designing. Packaging refers to the act of designing and producing the container or wrapper of a product. I repeat again. Packaging refers to the act of designing and producing the container or wrapper of a product. So, in this meaning, there are two words, that is designing and producing. So, what does this word designing means that in this word designing, it is presented to the product in such a manner that everything about the product, everything about the product is clearly being written on that packaging so that the customer, the person who is going to consume, can see that what is there in the product. So it is a process of designing and producing a container or wrapper to the product. Like, I'm going to give you an example. See on the screen. So tell me, student, which product is being shown here?
Lays.
Yes, very good, Mansi. The packet of Lay's is being shown to you. So tell me, students, are you able to see that which company is manufacturing? What is the product? Yes, students, are you able to see the name of the company which is producing it?
No.
There is the name of the product being Lay's is written over there. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So it is designed in such a manner that it is designed and produced in such a manner that the product inside the product, the packaging is properly clearing about the product which is being inside the packet. So are you clear with this meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, write down the definition of packaging. Definition of packaging, see on the screen. So here it is the definition. The definition is given by William Stanton. Again I say William Stanton. He says that packaging may be defined as the general group of activities in product planning which involves designing and producing the container or wrapper of product. So here student, it is being said by him that there is a group of activities in the product planning. Product planning. So tell me students, how many total elements are being there in the marketing mix? Yes,
Four
students?
elements. Four
Yes,
P's.
4 elements are there. So product is one of the element of the marketing mix in which packaging is being covered, and it is the part of the product planning. It is a part, packaging is the part of product planning, which, as if I said to you in the meaning, explained in the meaning, that in packaging there is designing and producing of the container or wrapper of the product. So students, the meaning and the definition is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good students. Now proceeding forward, see on the screen, now we are going to study the levels of packaging. There are following levels of packaging. So tell me students, how many total levels are being shown on the screen?
3.
Yes, there are 3 levels of packaging to a product. There is a product. This is the main product. This is the main product. And there is one layer. There is second layer. And there is third layer. In total, there are 3 levels of packaging. Level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay students, so now we are going to discuss one by one these levels of packaging. So the first level of packaging is primary packaging. This is the primary packaging. In this, it states that primary packaging is the packaging in direct contact with the product itself and is something referred to as consumer or retail packaging. So there is a product being shown to you on the screen. So students, which product is being shown?
Colgate paste.
Yes, there is a toothpaste of Colgate. So in this, this is the first level of packaging, that is primary packaging. In this, it is being stated that there is direct contact. As you see, this is the level 1. This is the level 1 packaging, and this level 1 is being direct contact with the main product which the consumer is going to being consumed, and it is provided to the consumer, and the person who is being selling can't give this product open or loose. So as if you can see in the example which I have given to you of Colgate, in this the toothpaste, does the seller gives you in this manner only? Yes, tell me students, does the seller gives you in this manner only? No.
No.
Yes, very good. No, the seller will not give you in this manner only. He will provide you with some other level of packaging. So students, I am going to give you another example. So student, is this model visible to you? Yes, students. Okay. So here I have taken an example. So tell me, student, which product is this?
A matchbox.
Yes. And which product is this?
Melody top.
Melody.
Yes. Very good. So in this, there has been shown to you a product, a matchbox and a melody. So you will get, when you will come home and you will see, then you will get this product only. You will not get the open pieces of matchsticks which are being there inside. You will get this whole packet. And this is the melody toffee which is being shown to you. You will get this melody toffee, not the inside candy only. You will get this whole piece of packet as a with the wrapper being over this candy. So student, are you clear with this first level of packaging?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now students, going proceeding forward, now is the next level of packaging. See on the screen, there is secondary level of packaging. Secondary level of packaging. In this secondary level of packaging is the exterior packaging of the primary packaging that groups packages and further protects or labels the product. So in this, I am going to give you an example. Yes, students, the same product I have taken of the Colgate. As if you can see that there is a box, cardboard box, and over that there is the primary packet of Colgate, which is inside that cardboard box as provided to safeguard that product, which is at the primary level. So in this is the exterior. As if you can see, we have studied this level of packaging, and it is this level 2. It is at the exterior of the level 1. That is primary packaging. This so level 2, which is the exterior packaging of level 1, that is primary packaging, and it provides the label and protects the further product of which is there at inside. So I am going to explain this to you with the second level in the model. So students, is it clear? Is it visible to you? Yes, students. Students, is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can see here that there is the full box. This was the primary packaging, and this is the secondary level of packaging. This is the full box of matchsticks. With inside it there are other packets of matchsticks being provided, and in this it is protecting, it is covering, like there is one, and inside it there are five matchstick boxes, which is protected by another layer of packaging, and it is giving all the details. It is labeling the product, what is the product and what about the product. And this is the example of Melody I have given to you. This is the packet of Melody being provided to you. Inside this, there is not only one packet of Melody. There are other, not one piece of candy. There are other also Melody candies being inside it. So this is mostly with the seller, who provides to you one piece if you require, and if you require the whole, he will give you this. And this packet will provide protection to these candies which are inside it. So students, are you clear with this level 2 packaging? Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now proceeding forward to the level 3. See on the screen. Level 3 is the transport packaging. This is the transport packaging. From here, it will further go to the distribution channels, distribution level. In this transport packaging, with meaning states that packaging is a shipping unit that provides containment and protection to goods during handling, storage, and transportation. So, in this level of packaging, it provides handling. First is the handling, second is the storage, and the third is the transportation. So I have taken here same example of the Colgate. As if you can see in the image, a big container is being provided after being the secondary level of packaging is being done. A big box is being provided so that the whole packs of Colgate inside it at the secondary level can be protected, and it can further be sent for the storage, transportation by the way of handling, so that it can be handled. If it will be provided at the level 1 packaging only, there will be no, the packaging, the products will not be handled in a proper manner. They can be lost, or they can be just they will not be properly handled, and they will just be they will get lost. So students, in this level of packaging, uh, I have given you the example of Colgate. Now we will study this with the help of example in the model, the same example. So students, pay attention. So this is the third level. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the level 3 packaging. This is the level 3 packaging. Level 3 packaging, a big container is being provided to the secondary level for the further transportation of the goods to the warehouses or to the wholesalers or other persons. So these are the 3 levels of packaging. So is it visible to you, the whole model? Level 1, level 2, and level 3. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear with this model?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next, I'm going to ask you questions. Students, tell me the 3 levels of packaging. The first level is, yes, students, the first level is,
Primary level.
yes, primary packaging. And the second level is, yes,
Secondary.
students, yes, very good, secondary packaging. And the third level of packaging is,
Transportation packaging.
yes, very good, students. So these were the levels of packaging. Now we are proceeding forward to the importance of packaging. The first is the rising standards of health and sanitization. So students, pay attention on the screen. It states that with increasing standards of living in the country, people have become more conscious about health and sanitation. So I'm going to show to you 2 products. Pay attention. So tell me, students, which is this product?
Zaika haldi powder.
Yes. And this is the second product?
MDH haldi powder.
Yes. So tell me, student, which out of these 2, which product will you prefer?
MDH haldi powder.
Yes, MDH haldi powder. Why? Because first is it is giving a proper packaging. First is it is giving proper packaging with proper labeling, and people trust this brand because it has completed 100 years by providing this product in the market. So students, are you clear with this rising standards of health and sanitation? So now the next point is self-service outlets. So it states that these are becoming very popular, particularly in the major cities and towns. In such stores, products with attractive packaging command higher sales as buyers are more influenced by such products. So there is a picture being shown to you. This type of packaging or the service outlet being self-service outlet is being provided in the metro cities, and where the cities are very much advanced, and it is, and you might have, if some of you would have gone to the through the flights, you have been seen in the airports that there are certain there are self-service outlets being provided at the airport, and the customers, the person who wants to get the product can himself or herself get that product by putting the amount of the product being he or she wants to get. So this is being mostly in the major cities and towns. So the next point is innovational opportunity. Innovational opportunity. It states that recent developments and innovations in the area of packaging have completely changed the marketing scene in the country. So I have used one picture. So tell me, students, which products are being shown in this picture? Yes, students?
Coke, Sprite, Coca-Cola.
Yes, there are 4 products being shown. Fanta, because of the healthy environment which they want. Because the customer can handle this product in a proper manner, and he or she can take that product anywhere he wants to take, and he can also store that product in a appropriate manner if he wants. So this is an innovational opportunity of the packaging. So the next picture is shown of the Kurkure. So when the product which is just open and loose, it is not being preferred by the customers. When the product is properly packed and it is attracting to the customers, the customer will buy that product and will consume that product. So it is an innovational technique for the companies so that they can provide the best packaging which is given to its customers.